Hello student, today we are going to discuss May June 2009 paper 3 web authoring part. I made a duplicate copy of that folder in my desktop. Let me start the question. First of all, I want to tell you one thing, that why I choose this question paper. If you want to learn web authoring properly, this question paper is the best question paper for learning. Okay, now first web authoring part start from question number 1. They are asking for download the file, so we downloaded these things. Using suitable software package, open the web page j9scuba.html so that it can be edited. So first we are going to edit web page using front page. So let me open front page 2003. So let me close this part. According to question paper, first we have to open from the desktop. My data file belongs to data file 3, and what is the file name? j9scuba.html. j9scuba.html, this one. Okay, after that what they're asking, attach the style sheet j9 style1.css. For attaching style sheet, we have to go to format style sheet link, add style j9 style1.css. so double click here and then press OK. Now you see, after attaching the style sheet, your color, font size, everything change. After that, what they're asking to do, replace the text center number candidate number with your name, center number candidate number. So here it is given last edited by center number candidate number and name. So first you give center number. If you are boy, then your center number is SM139. Candidate number, just give one random candidate number, but you have to give your candidate number and name. I'm writing my name. Okay, after that what they're asking, change this line code from paragraph style to h5. So how you will understand this is a paragraph style? If you see the code part, you will see that before this one it is written p, that means it is under paragraph. So what you have to do, instead of paragraph, we just keep your cursor pointer here. Instead of paragraph, what they are asking to style h5, heading 5. So from here you just select heading 5. You will see after mentioning heading 5 that font color and position is changed. Next one, change the width of the table so that it fills the width of the window in any web browser. For that, you have to keep your cursor pointer. You have to right click over the table, any part of the table, then select table properties. They said width of the window, right? It is specific width, so you have to click specific width in percentage. It will come 100%. Then you have to select apply and then OK. So right click, table properties, this way, specific width, as they mentioned in the question paper, width of the window in any web browser, it should be 100%. Okay, percentage 100. Now apply. Okay. After that, what they're asking, set the cell padding for the table 2, cell spacing for the table 2, and the border of the table 2. So same process, right click over the table properties, cell spacing 2, cell padding 2, cell spacing 2, and border also 2. Apply and OK. Now you check the border symbol is changed, border width is changed. Now next one, replace the text. Please anchor here with the anchor called top. In front page, anchoring means bookmark. Please anchor here. You have to write down top, and after writing top, block this one, then insert, click on bookmark, and it should be top. Okay, done. After mentioning bookmark, you will see that dot sign came. After that, what they're asking, in the text, click here to return to the top of the page. Make only the word, click here a hyperlink to anchor that you have just created. That means you have to mention click here this word, you have to make a hyperlink. That means if you click here, then it will go top of the page. That means it will show you that top. So right click hyperlink. So this top is belongs to the where in this document, right? So you have to click in this document. So select top and then press OK. Now for checking, if you want to check, you have to open this one into a web browser and check whether it is working or not. So you can do it later. Next, replace the text logo image with the image j9 logo.jpg. So logo image, just rub this one, select the picture one, insert picture, then j9 logo. After that, what they're asking, replace the sunset image with the image j9 sunset.jpg. So sunset image, same process, rub this part, select insert picture from file, sunset. After that question, what they're asking to do, resize the image so that it become 183 pixel wide and 320 pixel height. Here they're mentioning height and width separately, so that means there should not be any aspect ratio. So here also they mention do not maintain the aspect ratio. So what you'll do, right click over the sunset picture, picture properties, and here unblock this one, and which should be according to question paper 183, 183, and height is 320. Then okay, done. Now next part of this question, replace the text show image with the image show image with the image show.jpg. So rub this part, then insert picture, show. Okay. After that part, what they're asking, create a hyperlink from this image to point to the file j9dive.html, which should open in new window called _ scuba dive. Okay, so right click here, then what they're asking, create a hyperlink from this image, show image j9 dive. So you have to make a hyperlink and it will open this j9dive.html website. Okay, .html, which should open a new window called _ scuba dive. That means if you click this picture in new page, it will open this web page. So you have to right click here, then hyperlink, and as it is a web page, so you have to click existing file or web page, and then what is the web page name, j9dive.html, j9dive, this one, and target frame, it should be new window _ instead of blank you have to write down one scuba dive, and then press OK, and then OK. Now for checking whether it is applied or not, you can check the code part. Now in the code part j9dive.html, you can see half, that means hyperlink j9dive.html, that means it is working, your code is generating automatically. Now next one, replace the text fish image with the image j9 fish. So delete this one, insert picture, j9 fish. Okay, j9 fish.jpg. Replace the dolphin image with the image j9 dolphin.jpg. So rub this one, insert picture, j9 dolphin, this one. Okay. Next one, create a hyperlink from the emerging fish to point to the file j9dive.html, which will open in new window called scuba dive. Okay, so here also it should be hyperlink, and what it will do, create hyperlink from the emerging fish to point to the file name j9dive, that means it will open the web page j9dive, this one, and target frame will be new window, and this one should be scuba dive. After that press OK. OK, done. Next part of this question, save this page as j9scuba.html, print the page as it viewed to the your browser, print a copy of HTML source. So this thing you have to put it in your evidence document. Now one by one, what I will do, first I need to save it. j9scuba.html, same name. So just press Ctrl S. When you press Ctrl S, see star sign is not there. Now you have to open this one into web browser. So where I saved j9scuba, this one. So open this one into, open with Google Chrome. Now this is your page. Now what you have to do, you have to take the screenshot, print screen. Suppose this is your evidence document, Word. Take the maximum space, page layout. My computer is becoming slow. Page layout, margin. Okay, now you have to take screenshot of this one by giving the question number or evidence number. This is your screenshot. You can do one thing, you can crop this down part. So select this one, format, crop it, only this down part. Don't crop the upper part because it is showing you that you open this one into some web browser. You can make it a little bit big so everything should be visible. Written part should be visible. Okay, now after that, this is question number 1. Which question? This is question number 13. So in the evidence document, they will mention and they'll ask you evidence name, but earlier question paper they never ask evidence name. So you can give step 13, right? This question number is 13. Print this page to view your web browser. Done. Print copy of HTML source. This is the question. Print copy of HTML source. So some student of other school, what they do, just close this one. This thing is not needed. So what you have to do, you have to open the web page 1. They're asking to code option. So go to code. Some student just print it from here. Don't do this. Otherwise printout will not come perfectly. So what you'll do, you'll just select Ctrl A, select all, Ctrl C, copy, and then go to your evidence document, and after that you just press print, paste it here. Now here what you have to do, Ctrl Z, take it from again, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Microsoft Word, Ctrl V. Okay, this is perfect one. Now what you have to do, you have to change, you have to mention that editing part, which one you created yourself, like style sheet you added. This one should be blocked. Okay, this one should be blocked by some different color, so it should be visible. Color should be, you can give gray. Okay, it should be drag. Which one you did, that one should be drag. Suppose we wrote top, we wrote our center number, candidate number, so this one should be blocked. So examiner should understand this thing is done by you, maximum thing is done by you. So main part you have to show by dragging different color. Okay, this way you can do. Okay, so examiner, by seeing that evidence document, examiner should understand that you did it perfectly. Okay, just close this one. Now go to design view. This is my design part. Now next one, what they're asking, this part using this part is over. So what I will do, Ctrl S, Ctrl W. I just close this one. Using suitable software package, open the style sheet j9style1.css. Now you have to open the style sheet. File, open j9style1.css. This is your style sheet. The style sheet file format is .css and web page file format is .html. Now what they are asking to do, h1 should be 48 points. So now here you have to know one important thing. If when you are expert, that time you can change directly from here h1, that font and h1 what they're asking, h1 is 48 point. So here is font is size is given 20 points, so it should be 48 point. When you are expert using CSS file, so that time you can just rub it from here and you can put it and save it. But normally what you have to do, you have to just keep it, you keep your cursor pointer here, then format, then style, You need to modify h1, right? So you have to select h1 and then click modify, and then font size is belongs to font format font, and here font is given 20 pt, right? Instead of this one, according to the question paper, what they're asking to do 48 pt, so you have to change 20 to 48. Okay, 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 the 48 point. Next one, h5 is left align. h5 alignment right, you have to just mention left. Now I am doing it from here, left, but keep it in mind that space and everything should be perfect. Okay, so h4 is black. h4 color code, you don't know the color code. Suppose I don't know the color code, for example, basically let me tell you the color code is black, color code is 000. So how can I understand the black color code is 000? So go to format style, so it was in which one, h4, so select h4, modify, then format, not paragraph, format font, the color, you select more color, which one is the black, you just choose that one. Suppose this one is black. Now see black color code in hexadecimal number 000000, so 360. Okay, so this is hexadecimal number format of representing color. First two value represent red, then next two value green, and third two value is blue. So red, green, blue, RGB, this is the RGB color. Okay, you have to represent RGB color by using some hexadecimal number. Okay, what is hexadecimal number? 0 to 15, any number is called hexadecimal number, but normally in hexadecimal 10 is represented as a capital A, then 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, F is 15. Okay, so normally we are saying we are telling in digital electronics hexadecimal number means 0 to F. F means 15 and 10 means A. Okay, so this is all 000. Then press OK. Okay, okay, okay. But if you know the color code, just directly you can give it, right? So if you don't know, then that time you have to do this way. Okay, next one. The red and blue components h1, h3, h2, h3, h5 remain same, and there is no green component. So red, green, blue. So h1, h2, h3 and h5. Red and green component, what they're asking, red and blue component. So red and blue component will be same, red and blue, last two. So first two, last two, and green one will be 0. So what you have to do? So middle one you have to give 0. 0 means 00, 00. Okay, so it was AA, right? Red, green, blue, I told you RGB. First two digit represent red, then next two digit represent green, and third two digit represent blue. They are mentioning in the question paper red and blue components of h1, h3 remain same, but there is no green component. So green component will be, the middle value will be 00. h1, h2, h3, h1, h2, h3, and h5 remains same, h5 00. Okay, next one. In paragraph style has a no red component and the green and blue component are set to 50%. In paragraph style there is no paragraph style has no red component, so red is first 0, it is already 00, and green and blue components are set to 50%. In my front page note, what does 50% mean? It is given. So 50% means 80-80. You have to write down 80-80. So this one should be 80, and next one should be 80. If you check the notes of front page, in that notes I mentioned different percentage value of different color, different percentage value of color. Okay, so what they mentioned, the paragraph style has no red component and green and blue components set to 50%. So I did this one, so there is no red component 00 and green and blue component will be 50%, that means 80. Right, understood. Now save this style sheet as Gen9 style 2.css. So file, save as, in the same folder, Gen9 style 2, save. Now close this part. They're asking next one, print the style sheet. Okay, when they are asked to print this style sheet, don't print directly, that font size will not be visible. So you just copy this one and open your evidence document. Suppose what is your evidence document, and then just paste it here. So this way it will be visible properly. It will be more visible if you increase the size of the page. Okay, perfect, clear. You can give some space also, so examiner should understand perfectly. Clear. This way you can take the screenshot, take the printout of style sheet. Okay, now Control S, Control W, save and exit. Now what they're asking, open the web page Gen9 Scuba. That means which one just now we designed, that one they're asking to open again. So file, open Gen9 Scuba, this one, and what they're asking, attach the style sheet style 2. That means just now we created one style sheet, the style sheet should be attached instead of the old one. You have to delete old one and you have to add the new one. So format style sheet link, first delete the old one, remove, and add style 2. Okay, now see, font size change, color also change. Now next one, same process, save the page. You have to say as Gen9 Scuba .html, open this on a web browser and print the HTML source. As I told you, as I showed you earlier, the same process you have to, in the same process you have to do this one. First save it and open this one into web browser, some web browser, and print the code also, HTML source, that is code. Okay, now close this one, Control S, Control W, this part is over. Now next one, using suitable software package, open the file j9dive.html. So file, open j9dive, j9dive.html. This is the web page. Now next one, attach the style sheet j9 style 2.css. So you have to attach the style sheet, format style sheet link, add style 2. Okay, done. Now next one, replace the text center number candidate number with your name, center number, candidate number. So you have to write down this one, center number, first center number SA139, candidate number 1234, and your name, you have to type your name. Don't write this candidate number because your candidate number will be different in IGCSE exam. After your registration you will get the candidate number. Okay, done. Replace the text heading here with the text Super Scuba Diving Holidays and format this as style. Text heading here Super Scuba Diving Holidays. So text heading here you have to write down this one, and it should be in the format to H2, so it should be under heading 2. Okay, done. Next, using the content of the file j9page.text, replace the text, first text here, second text here, list here. Okay, so j9 page, we need to open j9 page. So from here you can open only j9 page, so from here you have to input, you have to take the text and you have to input it here. First text here, you rub this one, and from here you just keep your cursor pointer like this, then Ctrl C, copy, and go to your this one and Ctrl V. Done. Second text, format this one is H4, so it should be H4, heading 4. Okay, second test, same process, run this one, go to your j9 page, block this one, Ctrl C, and paste it here. and it should be H5, normal heading 5. Okay, now next one, list here with the experience drivers family package. So list here of this part. So what you have to do, list one, you have to copy this one, put it here. Okay, next one, format this text with the following style. Okay, that is experience drive, it should be P. So this one should be under paragraph. So what you have to do, you cannot mention paragraph here from the coding. So where is your cursor pointer? See, your cursor pointer is blinking. So it should be here, paragraph P. Okay, so when you starting tag with starting tag, when you start P, then you see automatically closing tag is printed. So closing tag will be Control X after this one, after the last part. Okay, now check how it look like. The experience drive is here. Clear? Okay, then go deep list up to which one? Up to cape drive list. So here, click here, go deep, go to code option, go deep. It should start with li, close li. Li is closing tag started. You can see the meaning of starting tag, of closing, different starting tag, different closing tag in my notes. So what you have to do, just li should be, starting tag will be before go deep and closing tag will be after go deep. Now check design view, it should be like this, right? Now next one, same process. What you can do, you can copy li to li, and then closing tag of li, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Now check how it's look like. It's look like this. Now next one, you see the question what they're asking. Beginners will be under P. So beginners, again select, go to code. This is beginner, it should be start with P, and closing tag should be after beginner. Control X, beginners. Now check how it's look like, beginners, right? Now this one, remaining part according to the question paper, up to snowcurl with us, up to this one is list li. So go to code part. So beginner we did, this one is li. So closing tag of li should be after meet the fish. So rub the closing tag of li, this one, copy li up to with us, up to this, and closing tag of li should be copied for the remaining part. Now check how it's look like. It's look like this. Now next one, next part of this question, family package, it should be P. Now code option, family package, it should be P. Starting tag, closing tag should be after family package. Control X, this one. Now check, it will be look like this. Okay, done. Now next part of this question, what they said, format the two list as a unordered list. Where is the two list? This is list number 1 and this list number 2, right? So this is go deep to this one, unordered list, UL. So keep your cursor pointer over go deep and then go to code option, before this list you have to write down UL, unordered list. The meaning of each and every tag is given in my notes, so you can check it from there. And closing tag of unordered list for the first list, Control X, should be after cave drive. Now check how it's look like. It's look like this. See, it is changed. And like this same process, same way, beginner also, code option after beginner, this one, unordered list UL, and closing tag of unordered list, Control X, X should be here after this one, Control V. Now check how it's look like. It's look like this, right? Done. Now next part of this question, set the table border. Okay, replace the text image with the image j9 clown.jpg. Set the width of the image to 280 pixel and maintain the aspect ratio. Clown. So rub this part. So insert picture. Where is my clown picture? Right click, picture properties. Here they did not ask to keep maintain aspect ratio. Here they said keep aspect ratio, right? What it will be 280 pixel image, 280 pixel. Set the width of the 280. Width will be 280, and automatically height will be changed. Right? This is the thing. Right click again, check picture properties. So 280 automatically height is changed. Okay, in pixel. So in pixel, right? Then should open in the current window. Create hyperlink from the okay. Set to table border to 2. Okay, so table border. So right click, press OK. Right click, table properties. Border should be 2. Apply. Okay. The next, create a hyperlink from the text home page to point the file j9score.htm. This should open in current window. Okay, current window. What you have to write? Create a hyperlink from the home page. So where it is home page, right click, hyperlink, and it should be linked with the file j9scuba.htm. This j9scuba, this one, scuba target frame. So current frame means same frame. Okay, current frame means same frame. Okay, then press OK. Now next, print and copy HTML source for j9 drive. So just you have to see the code and you have to copy this one in Microsoft Word and print it. Now basically your web page will be look like this. Okay, Control S, Control W. So this question is over. If you have any problem, you can ask me in my class. Thank you for listening, and please practice this question. This is a very important question for your further web question papers, web page designing question papers. Thank you.